Hey, my blog, I spy a Stang. This is in my hometown. I'm looking at this sign, and it's an 09 for $20,995. I'm like, well, what? An 09 has got to be something, something special about this. And let's come down. It's got that green. Got that dark green look to it. It's being sold by Dansville Radiator, and I had to stop in and see what is so special about this vehicle. It's 18-inch Bridgestones on it, right? They are a little larger rotors than stock. They are bullet rims, same front and rear. I don't see anything special about the calipers other than maybe a little bit larger. It is a 6-speed. Oh, guess what? Looky here. That's why it is a bullet. No kidding. Leather interior. The dash is dash is kind of got that psychedelic look to it. That's it. So I guess if I come around back here, it's got the silver tips, flow masters, and it has also got the bullet insignia on the back. So that's what it is. And that's why. Oh, it's 5-speed. What am I thinking? No, it's 6. It's a 5. No, 5. 5-speed. 5-speed tranny. It's got drilled rims. The rear tires on this thing are a 550 18s. Or exhaust. Steering back though. Mufflers back here. Straight back. But again, and I think when I looked this up before, they only made 850 in 2009, so it is a rare, it's definitely a rare bird. Or should I say a rare Stang. So there you go. If you're looking for, it's out of my price range, but if you're looking for, get in touch with these people here, and you can negotiate, I'm sure. But that's why it's so much. It is an 09 bullet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next I Spy a Stang.